These are the elevators at the Embassy Suites at USF in Tampa, Florida. We got some Kone elevators, and not just that. Check this out here. I think we got that one. They're Scenic elevators. It's got a voice as well. Let's go at 8. Let's watch the view.
Eighth floor.
They're pretty fast for 8 floors.
Going down.
Let's go 1. Hi, the indicator changes like all the way to 6 before the car even starts moving. There's your cab view.
First floor. Going up.
Yeah, as you see, it's like before the car even starts moving, the indicator changes to 3.
Eighth floor.
Here we are at 8. Here is your inspection
Going down.
certificate. While we're up here, let's just get a little view. You can see another one coming up. It's pretty cool architecture. Let's call one. Here's a little look at the hallways. And here's an elevator on 7. Are we gonna get this one? Or we might get that one. I think we are. Or maybe not. Never mind. They're both at 7. And what do you know? We got the elevator we were least expecting. Or watch this. I can't really show the indicator and the view at both at the same time at 7. Wait, that one actually... Okay. On second thought, let's just get off here. But as you see, that one, the indicator didn't change quite as rapidly because we actually stopped at 7. Let's see if it happens on other floors now. We're here. The elevator is right there. Why isn't it opening? Or did it open? Maybe it did and I missed it.
Going down.
Oh, we got that one. Maybe that's why. Watch, I'll tell you what the indicator says as we go down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you see, look how quickly the indicator changes. There are the elevators. There's one down there at the lobby. One's at 6, the one on the left or the middle is at 6, the one on the right is at 7, and then that one there is at 4. Alright, that'll be it.